Welcome back to English with Confidence, my dear friends. Today, we are talking about a simple truth that we often forget. Time changes everything. It changes situations. It changes people. It changes relationships. It changes our priorities. And most importantly, it changes us. Think about your life 5 years ago. You had different dreams, different problems, different friends, and a different way of thinking. Some things that once felt extremely important may not matter to you today. Some people you thought would stay forever may no longer be part of your life. And some people you never expected to meet may have become very important to you. That is life. Nothing stays exactly the same forever. When life becomes difficult, we often think the pain will last forever. We say, "My life will always be like this. I will never be happy again." But look at your past. You have already survived difficult days. There were problems that once kept you awake at night, but today they are only memories. There were moments when you thought you could not continue, but somehow you did. So remember this. Your current situation is not your final situation. A bad day can change. A difficult season can change. A failed plan can change. And your life can change too. Sometimes you simply need to give yourself time. But giving yourself time does not mean doing nothing. If you failed, learn and try again. If you lost an opportunity, look for another one. If you made a mistake, learn from it. If you feel lost, take one small step forward. You do not have to understand your entire future today. You only need to take the next step. Imagine someone who loses a job they love. At first, they feel completely lost. They think, "My career's finished." But they keep moving. They learn a new skill. They apply for new jobs. They improve themselves. Months later, they find an opportunity that is even better. Years later, they look back and realize something important. The moment they thought had destroyed their future actually changed its direction. This is why you should never judge your whole life by one difficult moment. A painful chapter is not the whole story. Sometimes you are simply in the middle of the story. And the story is still being written. Time also changes people. Sometimes someone who was very close to you becomes distant. A friendship that once felt perfect slowly becomes different. People get new jobs, they move to different places, their responsibilities change, their priorities change, and sometimes two people simply grow in different directions. It can hurt. But not every relationship is meant to last forever. Some people are part of one chapter of your life. They teach you something. They give you memories. They help you grow. Then life takes you in different directions. Be thankful for the good memories, but do not destroy your peace trying to bring the past back. And while you accept the people who leave, do not forget the people who are still with you. Your parents are getting older. Your children are growing. Your friends are becoming busy. The ordinary moments you have today may become precious memories tomorrow. So call the people you love. Sit with them. Listen to them. Tell them they matter. Do not always say, "I will do it later." Because sometimes later comes too late. Time also changes what we think is important. When we are young, we may care deeply about what other people think. We want attention. We want approval. We want to prove that we are successful. But as time passes, we understand something. Peace is valuable. Good health is valuable. Family is valuable. True friendship is valuable. And a peaceful mind is more important than impressing everyone. Ask yourself, will this problem still matter 5 years from now? If the answer is no, maybe it does not deserve all your stress today. Not every argument needs your response. Not every comment needs your attention. Not every person deserves access to your peace. Time teaches you where to spend your energy. You also learn that success is not only about money. Maybe success means having time for your family. Maybe it means waking up without stress. Maybe it means having good health. Maybe it means being proud of who you have become. You are allowed to change your dreams. You are allowed to change your priorities. Changing your mind does not always mean you failed. Sometimes it means you have learned. Time can also change pain into strength. There are experiences that hurt deeply. A breakup, a rejection, a failure, a betrayal, a missed opportunity, a mistake. When you are inside that pain, you may think it will never end. But time has a quiet power. It does not always erase the memory. It changes the way you carry the memory. Something that once made you cry may later become a lesson. Something that once made you feel weak may later become the reason you became stronger. The event may not change, but you change. And because you change, the meaning of that event changes too. Healing does not happen in one day. Some days you feel strong. Some days the old pain comes back. That does not mean you are back at the beginning. Give yourself time. You cannot change yesterday. You cannot rewrite what happened, but you can decide what you do next. Take the lesson, leave the pain behind, and keep moving forward. Time also reveals what is real. People can say beautiful things. Someone can promise, "I will always be there for you." But promises are easy. Time shows the truth. Watch people's actions. Watch who stays when life becomes difficult. Watch who supports you when there is nothing to gain. Real character is revealed over time. One kind action is nice. Consistent kindness is character. One apology is good. Changed behavior is better. One promise sounds beautiful. Keeping that promise builds trust. So do not judge everything by one moment. Give people time. Give situations time. And give yourself time. Time also reveals your habits. A small habit, repeated every day, can completely change your future. A few minutes of learning every day can create knowledge. A little saving every month can create security. A few kind words can strengthen a relationship. But small negative habits can also become big problems when repeated for years. That is why your daily choices matter. Your future is being created by what you repeatedly do today. And remember, time does not only change the world around you, it changes you. 5 years from now, you will be a different person. The question is, what kind of person will you become? Will you become wiser, calmer, stronger, more patient, more grateful? You cannot control everything that happens to you, but you can control what you learn from it. You can choose to become bitter, or you can choose to become better. You can stay stuck in the past, or you can build your future. Instead of asking, "Why did this happen to me?" ask yourself, "What can I learn from this?" That question can change your life. Sometimes life forces you to start again. Starting again can be frightening. Maybe your first plan failed. Maybe your second plan will work. Maybe someone disappointed you. Now you know what to look for. Maybe you lost an opportunity. Now you understand its value. Maybe you made a mistake. Now you know what not to repeat. Your past does not have to be your prison. It can become your teacher. So if today is difficult, breathe. Do not make a permanent decision because of a temporary situation. Give yourself another day. Give yourself another chance. Keep moving. You may not see the change today, But one day, you may look back and realize how far you have come. And if life is good today, do not forget to appreciate it. We often wait for something bigger. We think, when I become successful, I will be happy. But life is happening right now. Enjoy the simple things. Have dinner with your family. Talk to your parents. Play with your children. Call a good friend. Take pictures. Laugh. Be thankful. Because one day, today's ordinary moments may become tomorrow's precious memories. Time changes everything. Your problems will change. Your relationships will change. Your dreams will change. Your priorities will change. And you will change. So do not be afraid of change. A closed door may lead to a better door. A failed plan may lead to a better plan. A painful experience may make you wiser. A goodbye may create space for a new beginning. You may not understand it today, and that is okay. You do not need to understand everything today. Just keep going, keep learning, keep improving, keep believing that your story is not finished. My dear friends, if you're going through a difficult time right now, remember this. This moment is not forever. Better days can come. Your life can change. You can change. One day, you may look back at today's struggle and say, now I understand why I had to go through it. Until that day comes, keep going, keep growing, keep believing, and most importantly, give yourself time, because time changes everything. Thank you for listening to English with Confidence. If this message touched your heart, please like this video, share it with someone who needs hope today, and subscribe to English with Confidence. And before you leave, write this sentence in the comments. Time changes everything. Keep going, keep growing, and keep believing. I'll see you in the next video.